Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to roll clay easily, and this will be a tutorial for beginners. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a piece of clay. I actually have multiple pieces of clay, but I'm going to be using this one to show you how to roll clay. Okay, so I'm going to lift my camera up so that I don't hit it, and basically what you want to do is you want to take your hand and you want to basically go with your palm relatively flat, and you want to just go up and down. So you can see here's the clay. I'm going to put it roughly in the center of my palm, give or take, and I'm just going to go up and down. And as you can see, as I do this, what's going to happen is it's going to start flattening out in the sense of it will be round, but you can see it's sort of flattening out. It's not as bulbous. It's not as high up. It's lowering, right? So I'm just going to go up and down. You can see it's flattening out and it's lengthening, and that's how we're rolling the clay. Now, if you do it in one spot, what's going to happen is you're going to get a really low, thin spot, and the rest will be thicker and bigger and taller. So what you want to do as you're rolling it up and down is go side to side ever so slightly to keep it all even. So in addition to going up and down, you're going to go a little bit to one side and a little bit to the other side, and just keep doing that. And what you're going to get is this almost like a worm, right? That's what you're going to create. And you can then use that to create other shapes and to create other things, or you can just leave it as is. But this is basically how we're rolling clay. Really, really easy to do. The technique is very, very simple, and you can create this almost like a worm or like a thin cylinder, almost like a straw, like a worm, like a snake. I don't know, like a paper towel roll. I don't know, like anything that has this sort of shape, this long cylindrical shape. You know, you can. That's the idea here, right? And you can make it as big or as small as you want. But the idea is that you're creating a long cylindrical shape by rolling the clay. And like I said, I just used some random examples: a worm, a snake, a pencil, a paper towel roll. I don't know. These are just long cylindrical shapes that I think of right now. The first ones that come to my mind. But that's the idea. You're going to create something like this. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed the simplicity of it, and hopefully you can roll your clay to make whatever shapes you want. Yeah, and like I said, I came up with some random examples. There are probably much better examples than the ones that I said, but those are like just the first ones that came to my mind. Anyways, this is the shape that you're going to get. And yeah, I showed you exactly how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Other than that, I've done nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.